Sylvia， 然后他是来自日本的 Hitomi， 然后他是来自意大利的 Thomas， 然后来自俄罗斯的 Lisa。然后我们今天的主题呢是让大家知道各国不同的鬼故事。对，那待会呢，我们每个人会分享一个我们在自己国家里面听到的一则小小的鬼故事。
很多鬼，像这种这样子，这么高大的鬼，这种很经典的。然后还有小孩的，你可以想象洗澡中洗头，哇！然后有人一直看我的那种感觉，这样回头看就不一样的，就是一个女生站在后面。很可怕。今天你们可以买布丁，然后放在冰箱里面，然后隔一天发现啊，我的布丁不见了，那个也是妖怪的，这个就是害你的一个事情，很恐怖。
我不怕洗头。
那接下来就换我分享短的，但我觉得很可怕。大家都知道，在台湾的医院里面的地下室是会有一层特别拿来当做停尸间。有一天晚上，有一个医生，他做完急诊后，就是很晚了，他回家，那他要坐电梯去停车场里面开车。对，但是那天是在1楼，于是他就按电梯要下楼。按电梯要进去的时候呢，他发现有一个护士要跟他进去，那他也不以为意，然后就进去。后来发现电梯下楼，1楼没有停，就一直往下。后来在 B3有个小女孩，她想要进来这个电梯，医生就不让那个小女孩进来。那护士就问她为什么不让那个女孩一起来搭电梯？然后那个医生就说，在我们医院里面。就是要送到停尸间里面的死人，他其实都会在手上绑一条红色的缎带。那那个女孩手上右手上其实是有一个缎带的，所以不能让她进来这个电梯里面。这时候呢，护士就告诉这个医生说，是我手上的这条缎带吗？我讲完了，但他们不怕，我没有办法。好吧。然后换他们说，看你可以讲多可怕。
Thomas, high expectation.
意大利的鬼故事。
Okay, in Italy we don't really have traditional ghost or horror stories, but each city or region has something different. And most of them are about haunted castles or haunted buildings. So, like places where there are ghosts doing ghost things. I don't know. And near my city there is a place called Villa Clara.
Villa Clara.
Villa Clara.
Villa Clara. My grandma is Clara.
That was the horror story. Villa Clara has been built hundreds of years ago, but it has been abandoned for a very, very long time. And there are many weird stories about it. Like, for example, the electricity does not work in that building. Even if the city council tries to connect the electricity there, it doesn't work. And since it now belongs to the city, sometimes they try to fix the house itself because it looks very poor. The walls are very dirty and parts of the windows fall apart. But after they send people to fix it, it still goes back to looking like trash. And then there are people who try to explore it because this has been an abandoned building for a very, very long time, and so they're curious to see what's inside. And then they often mention that they hear a kid crying, a girl. And then people found out that in the past there was a girl living there, and her name was Clara. And apparently she was killed by her father because she was having visions of the future. And the father thought that these visions were non-real. He did not want to believe that his daughter could do something like that. And so she put her in a corner and built a wall in front of her, and she died there. And so now when people go inside the building, apparently they still hear her crying and asking for help.
好，换 Lisa。
Okay, so I want to tell about story that is in my hometown because my hometown is very famous for being like very cold. So we have a ghost story related to the road. Like they say it's a real story. Like one time the car got broken on the road. Inside the car there was like a family, like a mother, father and a kid. And then because the car broke, and then if you try to walk to nearest place, it's too far, so you die. So they try to stop the car, some car to help them, take them like inside or something. Because in my hometown, like in the winter, it's like -50, and then there are many areas have no signal. They cannot call anyone, right, to ask for help. And then many cars pass by, but no one stopped. And the mom, she keep writing the car number on the snow. So she write many number. And then in the morning, someone found them, and then they all died because it's too cold, right? And then the people who not stop, everyone who have their car number written on the snow, they all die.
Like it's a horror story, but it has a moral.
Yeah, it has a moral. Yeah. 要注意布丁。Yeah, don't eat pudding.
希望大家也可以来跟我们分享，你们听过一些很可怕的鬼故事。那我们这集今天就到这里啦。